Welcome to a world where homes stay dry and walls whisper thank you. Today, we bring you the repair and restoration waterproofing services. Your guardians against leaks and moisture intrusion. Hidden enemies lurk within your home, threatening its integrity. Leaky basements, capillary rise, wet walls, and more. It's time to face these villains head-on. Introducing our super lineup of services. No more damp dungeons. Our PU injection grouting seals every crack and crevice, ensuring your basement stays dry and habitable. Capillary rise, meet your match. Our moisture barrier treatment on walls keeps rising dampness at bay, preserving the sanctity of your walls. Cracks, beware. Our painted external wall waterproofing creates a shield, keeping your walls dry and your home looking fabulous. No more wet bedroom walls due to bathroom leakages. Our team make your tiled toilets waterproof in just 3 days without breaking your tiles, so you can enjoy a splash. Balcony leaks, be gone. Our expert waterproofing process keep your balcony dry, letting you enjoy the view. Terrace troubles. Our PU injection grouting is here to strengthen it with PU, sealing leaks and keeping your terrace high and dry. We offer a diverse arsenal of chemistries to protect your terrace, tailored to its unique needs and budgets. No more water shortages. UniPro's water tank leak proofing ensures your water stays where it belongs in the tank for your use. There you have it, a league of extraordinary services, ready to safeguard your home. Because when it comes to leaks, we are not just experts, we are your home's best friends.